Okay, today we could do a penetration test with the Craftsman Titan GP 22 cal. Yep. Yeah, I have no scope right now. I order a Bushnell TRS 25. I hope that will work for this gun. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna be shooting cans full of water. See how much you could penetrate. There are 5 on. Yeah, you'll be shooting the Craftsman perimeters, hollow points, 22 cal. Right there. Close blank. Damn, I'm all wet. You can see. Damn. The first one. Oh, the exit hole's right there. Can't see it. Let's see. The second one. Third. Fourth. And the fifth one. Oh, it's a dent. Hold on. Yep. Got stuck in the fifth one. That's the pellet. Kind of smashed in the front. Huh. This foil. Oh, still good. No dents, nothing, just. Yep. That's Craftsman Titan GP.